hope you're having a great day. So today I am going to start harvesting. I've got my little buckets and my wagon here. I'm hoping to fill all these buckets. And I'm going to start with yarrow, baby's breath, maybe snag a few lupine, and then work my way over to this field, which is starting to pop up lovely. Yay, I think I should get a good haul today. $150 stems of yarrow. The daily hauls are getting bigger. Got about 150 stems of yarrow today. I got 2 things of baby's breath, and I could honestly probably get 8 buckets out there. And then I got a little bit of lupine, some nice garden flowers. The florist wanted a few garden flowers. I did pick some lavender. I think you dry it. I stuck it in some water. And then stock, snapdragons, frosted explosion grass, bachelor buttons. So that's good. The hauls are getting better, and I'm gonna go out now, and I'm going to, remember how I was gonna take my perennial field and split it up into zones so I can just take the water to them and not have to shut off every valve along the way. I'm going to go do that right now really quick. I did water both of the annual fields that I have out there, and I haven't done the perennial field yet. The yarrow is starting to, on the bottoms, look a little dry, and some of that yarrow that I put in isn't looking too good. So I'm going to try to get that done so that I can at least water part of the yarrow fields. Then I might go ahead and water the peonies and then the lavender, but lavender doesn't really need it as much, so that's why it's last. So anyway, I'm gonna go and do that before I have to go do my deliveries. If you're wondering why my eyes look funny, I had a horrible reaction to bleach, so I don't think I can use bleach. I'm gonna have to find an alternative for sanitizing my buckets, and so that's why I was wearing glasses earlier. Don't look at my eyes. And that's it. I'm going to do that, and then I have 2 bouquets to make today and take to people. And I'm probably, gosh, I was hoping I will get some weeding done, but I do have to leave in about 30 minutes to deliver these, and then make bouquets and deliver those, and then it's like 94 degrees. Maybe I could weed for an hour and then cool off and then come back later tonight or something, because I definitely need to weed. Some of those rows are getting grassy. So that's what I'm up to today. So I realized I did not get one of my bouquets into any pictures or videos. I must have just been concentrated on making them. But I did get all 4 of my bouquets made today and delivered. I took a delivery to the florist, and then I also sat down with somebody at one of the restaurants in town, and they want me to come and bring them flowers every week to set on their tables. So that's exciting. So we talked through all the details of that, and that is happening. I'm going to get some ready tomorrow to go ahead and start that subscription that goes through the summer. And by the time all of those things were done, the day just kind of got away from me. Just day in the life of the flowers. I mean, I guess I didn't take any videos of stuff like I washed all my buckets, not with bleach. I did get a couple different alternatives that I'm going to try. One is like the stuff that they soak things in for restaurants, and that kills all the bacteria and germs. So I'm going to try one of those tablets and then just dump it from bucket to bucket after I've washed them with like Dawn dish soap. And we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that goes a lot better, and my eyes don't all swell up. So I did that. My dad had an extra little 4-foot table, and I'll get a picture of it sometime. I set it out and put kind of my crafty stuff on it to make bouquets with, so that's going to help me be more efficient in that area. And just some odds and ends on the flower farm today. That's about all that happened. Tomorrow I plan on making up those bouquets for that restaurant and doing some harvesting and hopefully getting to the weeds and watering. It is going to be a scorcher tomorrow at 97 degrees. But that was my day on the flower farm. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.